This video is all about some vocabulary words that we need to know about our family members or relatives in English and Filipino. The first one is mother or mom. In Filipino, that is mama, ina, or nanay. Mother, mom, mama, ina, nanay. In English, it's your father, while in Filipino, it can be your ama, papa, or tatay. Father, dad, ama, papa, tatay. In English, it's your brother, while in Filipino, it's your kuya. Brother, kuya. In English, it's your sister, while in Filipino, it's your ate. Sister, ate. It's a sibling in English, while in Filipino, it's your kapatid. Sibling, kapatid. It's your aunt in English, while in Filipino, it's your tita or tia. Aunt, tita, tia. It's your uncle in English, while in Filipino, it can either be your tito or your tío. Uncle, tito, tío. It's grandmother in English or grandma. In Filipino, it's your lola. Grandmother, grandma, or lola. In English, it's your grandfather or grandpa, while in Filipino, it's your lolo. Grandfather, grandpa, lolo. In English, it's your cousin, while in Filipino, it's your pinsan. Cousin, pinsan. It's daughter in English, while in Filipino, it's anak na babae. Daughter, anak na babae. It's son in English, while in Filipino, it's anak na lalaki. A lalaki is a boy and a babae is a girl, so anak na lalaki, son. To say male sibling, in Filipino, that is kapatid na lalaki. Male sibling, kapatid na lalaki. A female sibling is a kapatid na babae. Female sibling, kapatid na babae. Oldest sibling is nakakatandang kapatid. Oldest sibling, nakakatandang kapatid. Youngest sibling in English, while in Filipino, it's nakababatang kapatid. Youngest sibling, nakababatang kapatid. In English, you say husband or wife, while in Filipino, it can either be asawa or may bahay because it's gender neutral. Wife, husband, asawa, or may bahay. In English, it's your parent, while in Filipino, it's your magulang. Parent, magulang. To say parents, that is mga magulang, you'll just have to add the word mga. Parents, mga magulang. Female in English, while in Filipino, it's babae. Female, babae. Male in English, while in Filipino, it's lalaki. Male, lalaki. Family in English is pamilya or mag-anak. Family, pamilya, mag-anak. A male cousin in English, while in Filipino, it's pinsang lalaki. Male cousin, pinsang lalaki. Female cousin is pinsang babae. Female cousin, pinsang babae. Niece or nephew is pamangkin in Filipino because this is gender neutral. Niece, nephew, pamangkin. While your father-in-law or your mother-in-law is biyenan. Biyenan. Father-in-law, mother-in-law, biyenan. It's also gender neutral. Your sister-in-law or brother-in-law is 𝗖𝗢𝗡 in Filipino. Sister-in-law, brother-in-law, 𝗖𝗢𝗡. This is also gender neutral. A godson or a goddaughter is inaanak in Filipino. Inaanak. This is also gender neutral. Godson, goddaughter, inaanak. A child in English is anak in Filipino. Child, anak. Godfather is ninong. Godfather, ninong. While a godmother in English is ninang in Filipino. Godmother, ninang. An infant is a sanggol in Filipino. Infant, sanggol. A child or a kid in English is bata. Child, kid, bata. A teenager in English can either be a dalaga for a girl while a binata for a boy. Teenager, dalaga, binata. Children in English, while in Filipino, that's mga anak. So we add the word mga to make it plural. Kasi the word anak is a kid or a child, mga anak, children. A widow in English is balo in Filipino. Widow, balo. A relative in English is kapamilya in Filipino. Relative, kapamilya. In English, it's your ancestors, while in Filipino, it's your mga ninuno. But if you only say ancestor, it's singular, it's ninuno. But if it's plural, mga ninuno. Ancestors, mga ninuno. It's a twin in English, while in Filipino, it's kambal. Twin, kambal. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.